Hello everyone, Dr. Rawls here, and the question is, what causes leaky gut? So here we go, 3 minutes or less. Basically, we all have leaky gut. So you have to get back to, well, what is the job of our intestinal tract? The job of our intestinal tract is extracting the nutrients that our cells need to survive from all the stuff that we eat. And that's a really tough job because there's really a small minority of the things that are in food that we actually need to nourish our cells. So we have to get that across what we call the gut-blood barrier. So there's actually a membrane that separates all the things that we don't want from the things that we do want. So those things have to cross. But that membrane is just a little bit leaky. So we all have foreign proteins and different things that get across, and that's why 70% of our immune system is actually in the intestinal tract. To prevent these from these abnormal things, these foreign things from crossing into our bloodstream. But if you eat bad food, are chronically stressed, which slows everything down, and all of that grows bad bacteria, you strip the mucus barrier, the protective mucus barrier away from that gut intestinal lining, so it becomes more porous. So you have more foreign proteins that are crossing over, and you can actually have bacteria from the gut crossing over, and that can cause general inflammation in the body. It basically clogs up our lymph nodes and our lymph system, and it can really make us miserable. But beyond that, if you have what we call dysbiosis, or disruption of the balance of the gut, those gut microbes can produce chemical substances that cross over and actually end up in the brain that can agitate and irritate our brain. So there's neurological, systemic, and a whole range of symptoms. So the solution is you got to change your diet, you got to reduce your stress, and you've got to do herbs and things that help seal that membrane back up the way that it's supposed to be. So for more topics like this, check out my website, rawlsmd.com. Lots of information there on gut health and a lot of other topics. Also, sign up for our newsletter. Lots of great information coming to you regularly. Thank you. Take care. So, was that 3 minutes?
That was 3 minutes.
Hey, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Take the time to leave comments, ask me questions, let me know about other things that you would like to hear about. Thank you.